So now what happened with Torah, Zabur and Injil actually? So we all know nobody on the face of the earth can exactly give the date of Musa alayhi salam. It's a rough estimate. He must have lived 3,000 years before Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him. Maybe 3,500 years before. Maybe 4,000 years before. Maybe 5,000 years before. So every date that is given is just an assumption. It's just an estimate. There is no confirmation of the exact date when Musa alayhi salam actually lived. And the language he spoke is broadly understood to be Hebrew language. It is broadly understood to be Hebrew language. And the Quran speaks in great detail about Musa alayhi salam. In the Quran, in the glorious Quran, there is no other messenger and prophet who has been spoken as much as Musa alayhi salam. He is mentioned by name more than 130 times in the Quran.